Hello, today I'll be showing you how to refill your Zippo lighter. I have to do it a bit fast because my camera's crappy. Get your Zippo lighter fuel. You can get at Walmart for $2. Around the jewelry department area. And just buy it and get your Zippo lighter. Pull the inner case out. And then get your case. And if you look, there's a felt pad and a gold screw. Untighten it a little bit and then manually unscrew it. And slowly pull it out because you don't want to lose the tip. If you lose that, then you're screwed. And then tap it, get your flint out, put it somewhere where you won't lose it. Get something sharp or pointy, and then kind of pull this thing out, the felt pad, and then open the lighter fuel top, and then just put a little bit in, and then put your felt pad back on. And then get your flint, put it back in there. Then your spring, push it a little bit so then you can screw it back on manually. Then get your case again and screw it tightly. And then put it back in. Make sure that when you put it back in, the flint wheel is on the outside, not on the inside. And when you're done, you should have your lighter back on. Alright, thanks for watching.